Hey everyone, ever thought about sharing your passions with the world? Content creation is booming. It's your chance to connect with others, share your knowledge, and even build a career. Whether it's videos, podcasts, blogs, or social media, there's a platform for you. Think of it like this. You have a story, and the world is waiting to hear it. No matter your background, age, or experience, your unique voice matters. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there. Take that leap of faith and start creating. Remember, every successful creator started somewhere. They were once beginners too. The key is to start, learn as you go, and most importantly, enjoy the process. So, are you ready to become a content creator? Let's do this. Okay, so you're ready to dive into the world of content creation. Awesome. The first step, find your niche. What are you passionate about? What gets you excited? What knowledge do you want to share? Your niche could be anything: fitness, cooking, travel, gaming, personal finance. The list goes on. Once you've found your passion, think about your audience. Who are you trying to reach? What are their interests and needs? Understanding your audience helps you create content that resonates with them. It's about building a community around shared interests. Remember, authenticity is key. Be yourself, let your personality shine, and connect with your audience on a genuine level. All right, you've got your niche and you know your audience. Now, let's talk about planning and consistency. Creating a content calendar can be a game changer. It's like a roadmap for your content, helping you stay organized and consistent. Start by deciding how often you want to post. Whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, stick to a schedule. This helps build anticipation and keeps your audience engaged. Next, brainstorm content ideas related to your niche. Remember, quality over quantity. It's better to have a few high-quality posts than a bunch of rushed ones. And don't be afraid to experiment with different content formats. Try videos, live streams, stories, or even collaborations with other creators. Section 4. Your toolkit, skills and tools for success. Creating great content requires some essential skills and tools. Don't worry, you don't need to be a tech whiz. Start with the basics. Learn how to shoot good quality videos and photos, even with your phone. Explore free editing apps and software. Next, focus on storytelling. Even if it's a simple Instagram post, there should be a beginning, middle, and end. Engage your audience with captivating captions, clear audio, and visually appealing content. Don't underestimate the power of good lighting and sound. Natural light works wonders, and a simple microphone can significantly improve your audio quality. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you create, the better you'll become. Section 5. Grow your squad. Engage your audience. Creating awesome content is just the first step. Now let's get people to actually see it. Growing your audience takes time and effort. Start by promoting your content on your social media platforms. Engage with your followers. Respond to comments, ask questions, and run polls. Collaborate with other creators in your niche to reach a wider audience. Use relevant hashtags to help people discover your content. Remember, building a community takes time. Focus on building genuine connections. Engage in conversations, be supportive, and offer value to your audience. And most importantly, have fun with it. Section 6. Never give up. The journey is the reward. The content creation journey is full of ups and downs. You might face challenges, creative blocks, or even negativity. But remember why you started: to share your passion with the world. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and learn from them. Embrace the learning process and constantly seek ways to improve. Surround yourself with supportive people who inspire you. Celebrate your achievements along the way, no matter how small they may seem. Remember, success is not a destination, it's a journey. So keep creating, keep learning, keep growing, and most importantly, never give up on your dreams.